Hello lovelies, most welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing wonderfully fine. So in today's video we are doing a simple and a nice banana cake. So for our ingredients, we have in bananas, 2 eggs, all-purpose flour, 3 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, evaporated milk, cooking oil and vanilla essence. Next, I will begin by cutting up my bananas and set it aside. So in a clean bowl, add in your 2 eggs. Stir until foam begins to form, and after you've seen the foam on the surface of your egg, you can now then go ahead and add in half tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, quarter cup of evaporated milk. Stir until everything is combined beautifully. You can now go ahead and add in 2 or 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir until you get a smooth texture. As you can see, everything has mixed very well. So I'll add in half tablespoon of vanilla essence. Mix very well because the vanilla essence is going to add flavor to the cake. It's going to make it smell so good. In a clean pan, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sugar and add in your chopped bananas. So my pan is already on fire and it's on low heat, so I will sprinkle half tablespoon of cooking oil and add in my cake mix. Please make sure your fire is not on high heat, because when it's high you're going to burn your cake and we don't want to get any sour taste at the end. So after 1 minute of frying this cake, you will see the size of the cake turning into brown. That means our cake is ready. So I'll flip it over for the other side to also fry a little bit for at least 1 minute, and our cake is nicely fried. I can tell you that this is a simple and the best way to make banana cake at home. Please subscribe to my channel and let's grow this channel beautifully. I'm going to enjoy this cake with some hot tea or coffee. You can enjoy this with some drink as well. Enjoy and stay blessed. Thank you for watching today's video.